अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। क्लास 4 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश, पेज नंबर 55। प्यारे बच्चों, कल हमने ये लेसन आधी पढ़ी थी, टॉम एंड हिज न्यू मेडिसिन। तो आज आगे पढ़ेंगे। At this time, Aunt Polly heard about a new medicine. It was called painkiller. It had the taste of fire. All the same, Aunt Polly made Tom drink it. Tom hated it, and when his aunt was not looking, he quickly poured the medicine into a hole of the floor. While Tom was doing it one day, a cat came in and Tom poured some of the medicine into its mouth. At once it jumped high into the air. It started dancing on its back legs. It rushed about as if it were made. Tom laughed and laughed. It was a long time since he had laughed so heartily. Aunt Polly heard the noise and came rushing in. "What's the matter?" Tom could not speak for laughing. At last he pointed and said, Look at the cat." "That's the matter. What's the matter with it? You have been giving it that medicine." "I don't know," said Tom, still laughing. Aunt Polly saw the bottle of painkiller, the spoon, and a saucer. She guessed the truth. Tom expected his aunt to be angry. To his surprise, she was only thoughtful. "It's not a medicine for cats," she said. "Perhaps it's not a good medicine for boys. You need not take any more for it, Tom." This was good news for Tom, and he began to feel better.